Here we are, Raymond Terrace Supercharger. I call it Raymond Terrace. It's in the map and in the apps. It's Heatherbrae. I call it Raymond Terrace because it's always been that as a kid. Now, my Raymond Terrace Supercharger rating, access to the highway is actually really good. The highway is right there. If you're heading northbound, come in for this service station right there, which does have food if you want to eat service station snacks and crap like that. And there's a toilets in there. It's open 24 hours, so that's good. Also, if you're coming from the south, though, you got to come across and coming through the back through this hotel thing over here. 6 stalls at the moment. Unfortunately, 3 you use and we're sharing, so we're half the rate. So that's that. Now, for our Cybertruck rating, access gives it a good score. Food gives it a reasonably good score. Kid amenities, not so good. About 8 out of 10 for this one, Cybertruck rating. Skip it out Cybertruck score, okay? I've got a list of things you need to go through. Location, it's good. It's 2 hours north of Sydney. So you're heading up here to Port Macquarie and further Queensland like we are, then that's great. It's easy from here to get to Port Macquarie and further, not a problem. Amenities. Toilets, a 24-hour service station if you're into service station shitters. That's fine, but that's about it. Food is actually pretty good if you bring your food to here. Up the road that way is a Guzman Gomez, Hungry Fats, and I think a Kentucky Fried Dead Birds. That way you've got the Maccas. So yeah, buy your food before coming here and eating it. That's an option. Or if you want survey shit, there's a service station here full of junk food. So there's that option too. So food, pretty good score on that one. Access, 24-hour access. Yes, it's literally right next to the motorway, the highway right here. Toilets and the shitty service station is open 24 hours as well, so that's a plus. Kid friendly. Well, if I like playing around in the gardens and chasing spiders and stuff through the trees, there is a unfinished drive-through over there, so if you want to pretend they're working in a Macca's or whatever, that's great for kids. Otherwise, not the best, so low score for that. Lighting. Yes, I've been here before at night, so lighting's not too bad. It's not the brightest, but yeah, you're close to the road and there is enough light, but I wouldn't call it fantastic, put it that way. Long vehicles and towing, probably not. And there's 6 stalls here in a row, basically reverse into all of them, that's it. There's none really placed anywhere that will allow you to tow. And that's about it. Shelter, none whatsoever. Unless you want to hide under trees, that's great. Phone coverage, good. Full 4G service so far here at the moment on my mobile, so that's pretty cool. Ease of finding, yes, very easy. You can see it from the road as you cruise past, so makes it easy to see. Those red Tesla signs do light up quite well at night, so easy to spot. So overall, 8 out of 10. Also, there's bins too. If you're using a supercharger, use your bins, please. Not a toilet.